this is Susie for Shiny and Tech Digest, and I'm here with the LG KF700, which is one of the phones that they showed us at Mobile World Congress. It's finally come out, only took 6 months. So their whole thing behind this is that it's got 3 ways of inputting your data, or of using it. There's this touchscreen with haptics, there's the alphanumeric keypad here, and there's also this, which is a jog wheel on the back, which goes blue, which is nice. So this is actually a really good way of using a phone. It makes a lot of sense. It does mean that the menus are really intuitive. Their argument was that with a multimedia phone, there are so many menus, you've got to go really deep in to try and find the stuff that you actually want to do. However, the only criticism I'd have with this is that actually it means they've suited each different input method to a certain area of the phone, so it changes according to what it is you're trying to do. And it isn't necessarily hugely time-saving. For instance, with this menu screen here, you can scroll through the different menus. So you go from your calling function to your multimedia, to your settings, to your calendar, using the scroll wheel, which is great, but then you can't actually select anything using the scroll wheel. It's a kind of a tap system. But you can also select them using your finger and getting the haptic feedback. So it's almost like, would you really ever bother doing that if you're going to be sitting there with your fingers anyway? Having said that, you know, I think it is something you could quite easily get used to, so stick with it, guys. There's nice functionality on this. The main screen has kind of nice animations, a little bit cartoony, a little bit naff, but you know, some people like that kind of thing. There's also this, which is a widget that pops out, very much like you might find in Vista or something like that. So you could have your calendar displayed on the front page the whole time, your appointments, things like that. Another nice feature is that if you hit something on the status bar up here, which is where all your battery signals are, it instantly goes into a status summary. It tells you what you're connected to, whether it's HSDPA, Edge, things like that, your battery life, whether your Bluetooth is on, which is nice. I haven't seen something like that before, so I'm all about that. There's also a camera on the back, 3 megapixel, also takes video, and I have to say it's actually got really good speed, so you turn it on and you're pretty much taking a photo as you turn it on, which is quite unusual with phones. And that's about it really. So this is the KF700. It's got 3 input methods. It's available now, and the more you spend on your contract, the cheaper it'll be.